Fáilte Rash, welcome back. Agus fáilte go dtí fís nua. Welcome to a new video. In this video, Savisha, we're going to look at how to talk about the weather like a native speaker, because we all know in Ireland we love making small talk about the weather, and we do that in both languages. So these 5 phrases are used by native speakers, and you can use them with friends, family or colleagues when you're making any sort of chat when I'm sure about the weather. For this, firstly, I should mention these 2 brilliant freebies if you're interested in the Irish language. One is your emails Gaelscoil, so you can get a free PDF download below this video, and has everything you would need to add some Irish to your emails, either work or personal. And we also have a free daily translation challenge that happens every single day, chula law, and you can get that straight to your email, so you can sign up for that down below. It will ask you to translate a phrase in Irish, and you can click it and get the answer. And I've been getting such good feedback about this one because people are saying it's really helping them learn more about the structure of the Irish language. Eileen, on we go. So starting with the weather is, or the weather was, atrocious. So if you want to talk about it right now or in the past. So I'm sure the weather is atrocious. Tá an I'm sure u fósach. Tá an I'm sure u fósach. The weather is atrocious or awful. Now, past tense, if you're talking about yesterday or last week, bhí an I'm sure u fósach. Bhí an I'm sure u fósach. Now, for any of these, you want to just type this into aber.ie, and then you'll be able to choose which region of Irish you're interested in, whether it's Ulster, Connacht or Munster Irish. And if you're from Leinster, Munster is the most similar to what you would have learnt in school. And you'll be able to hear this pronounced by a native speaker from each of those areas, because each word, as you may know, will be pronounced slightly different across the dialects. So tá an I'm sure u fósach or bhí an I'm sure u fósach. The weather is taking a turn for the better, so this is a great one. Tá an I'm sure a gairy níos fearr. Tá an I'm sure a gairy níos fearr, or níos fearr in some regions. Tá an I'm sure a gairy níos fearr, or tá an I'm sure a gairy níos fearr. Or you can say tá an I'm sure ag dul a bheabhs. Tá an I'm sure ag dul a bheabhs. So both of these mean the weather is taking a turn for the better, or the weather is getting better. It was bucketing down. Bhí sé ag stála. Bhí sé ag stála. It was bucketing down. The end of stála here is silent. Bhí sé ag stála. Again, you can check this in aber.ie if you would like to hear it pronounced in each of the dialects. And you can add bosti down as well. Bhí sé ag stála bosti. It was bucketing down rain. It will rain soon, or it will start to rain soon. Tasoi sé ag cur bosti go lua. Go lua is soon. Tasoi, it will start. Ag cur bosti, raining go lua soon. Tasoi sé ag cur bosti go lua. Agus an ceann deireanach, I hope to goodness that it won't rain. Tású le dia agam nach mai bostachán. Tású le dia am nach mai bostachán. I hope with God, le dia with God, nach mai bostachán, that there won't be any rain. Tású le dia am nach mai bostachán. Agus sin é go cheach seo. That's it for this lesson. We also have another video on weather as well. I'll just leave a card here at the top of the screen. And don't forget to sign up for the free daily translation challenge that happens gach lá every day. Gur míle maith, thank you so much. Slán go fóill, bye for now. Agus feicimé sa gé ceann eile. I'll see you in the next one.